The SLP Loudmouth shotgun style resonators would be a great choice for any Mustang owner really who is looking to create their own custom exhaust setup, or more specifically for the 79 to 2004 cars using an existing SLP exhaust system and want to replace a damaged resonator or muffler, as these will be a direct fit. Now, SLP does include two hand-polished 304 grade stainless resonators for right around 160 bucks, and the install will vary depending on your setup. So let's just go middle of the road, 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and a couple of hours from start to finish to be on the safe side. So right off the bat, I would say the most popular application for the SLP resonators here will be as an affordable solution to give your Fox or SN95 a little bit more rumble by cutting out those factory mufflers and welding these guys into place. That's very evident in the customer review and photo section, as well as on YouTube, where any search of the SLP resonators will immediately turn up dozens of new edge GTs sounding off with this particular setup. And I have to admit, guys, I think it sounds pretty awesome. It's very deep, very aggressive, even with those factory manifolds and cats in place, and gets just downright dirty with a set of long tubes or an aftermarket mid-pipe. But on the other hand, if you already have an existing SLP catback on your V8 powered Fox or SN, whether it be the Loudmouth or the Loudmouth 2, these will be a direct replacement for the existing resonators if you ever need to swap them out for whatever reason. Maybe you hit something on the road, scraped them up, whatever the case, these will be an easy and direct swap. Dimensions for the resonators themselves will be just over 18 inches in total length with a 4-inch body diameter, and that will allow them to be used in some pretty tight spots underneath the car. Inlet and outlet will be both 2.5 inches, and they will be straight through by design, eliminating a big chunk of restriction otherwise caused by a traditional chambered muffler. Finally, guys, these things are made from premium 304 grade stainless steel and will be sold in sets of 2. As far as your installation is concerned, well, again, guys, it will go down in one of 2 different ways. Now, if you're replacing an existing resonator or muffler on an SLP catback, it's gonna be a piece of cake, right? Just simply loosen up the clamps, swap them out, and you're good to go. On the other hand, if you do plan on incorporating these in place of a set of factory mufflers, then there will be some cutting, there will be some welding involved, which will stretch the time and the difficulty of the job. Because of the differences in install here, guys, the site's just gonna go middle of the road, 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and a couple of hours from start to finish. But if you're looking to go custom and create your own system, or just replace a set of mufflers or resonators on an SLP catback, the shotgun style resonators here will be an affordable solution, and you can grab your pair right here at AmericanMuscle.com.